is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of packages that I got in, and I decided that I would include you guys in seeing what I got. So let's get to it. All right, so here's the first one that I got. Get it out of the box if I can. So the first one is my wing. So excited for this one. I've been waiting for a while for it to come in, and it finally got here. So let me open this up and I will show you. I struggled a little bit, but I finally got it. Girl, she is cute. So I don't really have carbon fiber on the outside of my car, and I'm not too sure if I might either just paint this a gloss black or wrap it gloss black, or just I can't speak, or I might just add some carbon fiber to my car so this way I can just put this one on. But it's so cute. All right, so this next one here, showed some jelly roll there. Okay, this next one here is, you know, I struggle with opening packages and I really want to like rip it up super fast, but I don't want to look stupid on here, so be right back.
1 hour later.
Now that I finally opened it, it's for the rear window spoiler. I'm not too sure if I'm digging this. I thought it was gloss black, but it's not. And I'm not sure if I'll put this one on, but we'll see. We shall see. Maybe it'll look better once it's probably gloss black and then get the feel of it. Yeah, I have one more thing to show you guys, but I can't carry the box out here. It's way too heavy for me, so I'm gonna bring some parts out and I'll show you. This next one, I am so excited that I finally got it and I cannot wait to put it on my car. So let me go get that and I will show you. So instead of taking parts out, just come inside. Anyways, so got my coilovers. I'm so excited to put these on. Have no idea. Yes, I know everyone's gonna be like, you should have bagged your car, but it's my car. I chose to do coils on it because stance is life, and mama ain't raised no beep. No, I'm kidding. Anywho, but yeah, I got my coils in. I will be installing them tomorrow, which is Sunday, so I will be joining that load life soon. So excited. I'm honestly way too excited to install these. Like, you guys have no idea. I was really hoping these parts would come in before my birthday, and thankfully they did. So I was looking around for a while for some coilovers, and I ended up going with Godspeed. Kind of nervous to see how they run, but also kind of excited. All right, guys, so that is all for today. I just wanted to come on here and do a short video with some unboxing. I will be posting a video of the installment on the coilovers, so stay tuned for that. And if you aren't already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I appreciate it. Till next time.
I just bought me a brand new wheel. Just got me some brand new chains. Brand new roll on my wrist. Just got me 4 new rings. Nigga know I'm the credit. I run that bit all in cash. Anything I want, I can buy. Cause I'm all with all this bad. I just bought me a brand new wheel. Just got me some brand.
Yeah, this one's a charm. This is a charm. All right, guys, so that is all. Maybe I'll just wrap myself up and give myself as a present to my boyfriend. All right, so that I got. That sounds so ridiculous. It doesn't even sound right. Oh my God.